We're comparing your typical hobby laser to the OneLaser XRF. To get the most real-world experience, we're going to run speed tests on both of these machines, using materials you'll find in most laser shops, including wood, leatherette, and acrylic. To get the most accurate results, we're going to be using the exact same speed settings on both machines. Many hobby machines advertise speeds around 1200 millimeters per second, but those numbers don't reflect what actually happens when you run a real engraving job. The biggest limitation is acceleration. The head ramps up slowly, so the machine rarely reaches those advertised speeds. Because of that, the same file could take 2 to 3 times longer to finish on a hobby laser compared to the XRF. Another issue is overshoot. At higher speeds, some hobby lasers overshoot up to 100 millimeters, which reduces the usable workspace. So a machine with a 900 millimeter bed might realistically only give you up to about 600 millimeters of usable engraving area. The XRF maintains tighter motion control, which allows it to run faster while still using the full work area. There's also a difference in the laser source. Most hobby machines still use a glass CO2 tube, which requires water cooling and wears out much faster. The XRF uses a 38 watt RF metal tube. It's air-cooled, responds faster, and engraves with a much smaller dot size. Instead of a G-code controller, the XRF runs a DSP controller. This improves motion planning, speed, and engraving detail. So while hobby machines may advertise bigger numbers, the XRF performs faster where it actually matters: real engraving work. So there you have it. With all the lasers available on the market today, it's important you make your decision based on your needs and your goals. So book a sales consultation today at onelaser.com or give us a call at 626-800-4130, and our expert team will help you find the laser that's perfect for you.